how to add music to Facebook post. In this video, I'm going to show you add song to Facebook post just like this. Alright, so open the Facebook app on your mobile device and tap on What's on Your Mind to create a new post. Select the photo or video you want to add music to and tap Edit in the top right corner. Look for the music icon, it looks like a musical note, and tap on it. This will open the music library. Search for the song you want to add or browse through the available options. Tap on the song to select it. Adjust the part of the song you want to play by dragging the slider. You can also select a display style for the song. Once you're satisfied, tap Done in the top right corner. Add any text or other elements to your post and tap Post to share it with your friends and followers. The music will now play in the background when someone views your post. Keep in mind that you can only add music to your posts using the Facebook mobile app, not the desktop version. Have fun adding some musical flair to your Facebook content. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.